Are you preparing for JEE Main 2026? Before you dive into preparation, it's important to understand the exam structure, statistics, and what's new this year. Let's explore the complete picture step by step. JEE Main is conducted by the National Testing Agency as the gateway to premier engineering institutions across India. It provides admission to NITs, IIITs, and GFTIs. It also acts as the qualifying exam for JEE Advanced, which is required for IIT's admission. Additionally, it gives access to B Architecture and B Planning programs. The timeline for 2026 is straightforward. In the first week of November 2025, registrations will open. In January 2026, the first session will be conducted. In April 2026, the second session will be held. For ranking, the better of the two attempts will be considered. To be eligible, students must have passed or be appearing in class 12 with physics, mathematics, and one additional subject, which can be chemistry, biology, biotechnology, or a technical vocational subject. There are specific minimum percentage requirements in class 12 which vary by category. Reserved categories like SC, ST, OBC, persons with disabilities, and economically weaker sections have relaxed norms and separate cutoffs. The JEE Main Paper 1 for BE and BTech has 3 sections: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Each section contains 25 questions, combining 20 multiple choice questions and 5 numerical value questions. Every correct response gives 4 marks, while 1 mark is deducted for each incorrect attempt. Each subject carries 100 marks, making a total of 300 marks. This structure emphasizes accuracy while still offering scope for educated attempts. For Paper 2A, which is for B Architecture, the exam has mathematics, aptitude, and drawing. Together, this paper has 27 questions for a total of 400 marks. For Paper 2B, which is for B Planning, the exam includes mathematics, aptitude, and planning. This makes 105 questions, again totaling 400 marks. The difference is that drawing in Paper 2B is descriptive and offline. Now let's look at subject-wise focus areas. In physics, mechanics, electrostatics, current electricity, optics, and modern physics are key. In chemistry, organic reaction mechanisms, chemical bonding, coordination compounds, thermodynamics, and equilibrium dominate. In mathematics, calculus, coordinate geometry, algebra, and trigonometry carry the highest weightage. Both Class 11 and Class 12 contribute equally since the syllabus is based on NCERT curriculum. JEE Main Previous Year's Cutoff 2025 to 2022. The cutoff has consistently risen across all categories, reflecting the tough competition each year. The cutoff for general category candidates increased from 88.41 in 2022 to 93.10 in 2025, while the cutoff for EWS candidates rose from 63.11 to 80.38. The OBC NCL candidates have 67.00 in 2022 and 79.43 in 2025. The SC and ST candidates experienced a sharp increase, with SC rising from 43.08 to 61.15 and ST increasing from 26.77 to 47.90. Meanwhile, the general PWD cutoff remained very low, around 0.001 to 0.007. As per the JEE Main cutoff analysis of the previous years, 2025 to 2022, we can see that the biggest difference came between 2022 to 2023, while 2024 to 2025 has a similar cutoff percentile. Overall, 2025 marks the highest cutoffs in 4 years, reflecting tougher competition and improved performance levels. Looking at recent trends, the number of registered candidates has risen significantly. In January 2025, over 13 lakh students registered, with an attendance rate close to 96%. In April 2025, more than 10 lakh appeared, with an attendance rate of about 93%. Comparatively, in 2022, attendance was lower at around 86 to 88%. This clearly shows growing participation and competitiveness in recent years. For 2026, potential changes may come from the JEE Apex Board. These include revised eligibility criteria and possible tweaks in exam pattern. While the syllabus is expected to remain NCERT based, the competition continues to rise, with cutoffs gradually increasing across categories. This means preparation has to be more strategic than ever. Winning strategies include building a strong foundation in class 11 and 12 concepts, prioritizing high weightage topics, practicing with regular mock tests, and maintaining a balanced revision schedule. Remember, it's not just hard work, but also smart planning that makes the difference. And most importantly, staying updated with official notifications from the National Testing Agency is essential.